Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I'm just trying to see what color polygels did I receive in this order, and I will be testing them out and trying them for this video for you guys. And as you know, polygel, aka builder gel, is just a gel that you use to build your nail tips. You can use a nail tip, you can use a nail form, or you can just apply it to your regular nails, with the dual forms, and create a nail and just press it to yours. But yeah, I wanted some pretty colors. Ooh, ooh. And that is one pretty blue. I can't wait to try these polygels out. So yes, you need to apply a base coat. So you need to apply base coat to each one of your nails that you are going to use the polygel on. And in my case, I will be using dual forms. So I'm going to apply it to every last nail and going to put it in the UV lamp for 60 seconds to cure. You must do this or else the polygel will not stick to your nails. So there we go. Shiny coat of base gel, 60 seconds in the UV lamp, and that is base coat. I'm trying to show you guys because you got a base coat that goes at the base, the bottom, and you got a top coat that goes on the top of the finished product. So a couple of seconds in, I will put the link to this polygel down below. And I wish I knew who had colored polygel that really works, because this polygel was on the cheaper side. So the reason why I say it was on the cheaper side, look y'all, it is sticking to my polygel brush, and it is filled with, my brush is filled with alcohol. It should not be sticking at all. But this polygel is so thin, that's what it does, it sticks. But you will see later on, I'm gonna make this gel work. Right now I'm just trying to get it to some type of shape that I can build a nail with. It began to kind of frustrate me. I'm like, I've been waiting for this polygel, and this polygel sucks. Look, you guys, that's how thin it is. Now, you have to apply it right on top of your nail that is coated with base gel. You got to use another finger to try to hold it down, because it will pop back up. See, it's not even, thank you, not secure. Okay, so now I'm gonna try this again. I had to reapply base gel to my thumb as well. Now I'm just gently pressing it down. I gotta hold it and place it into the UV lamp so that the dual form will not lift up. It's nothing securing it. First you need the brush, turn it, flip it back, and thin that out, because it'll all gather up, and then you can't see where your real nail begins. It'll be covered. You have to make sure that you flip your nail and blend it out. So as you can see, I'm trying again with a different color. Ooh, that is so pretty, you guys. Looks like an ocean blue color. Like, that's the color I want my beach water to be, y'all. Hey, so pretty. Now we gotta do this step, because It is some clips that can hold the dual forms in place, but I don't have any, so I have to use my finger. And you have to brush out that part because it builds up so thick at the end. So you have to thin it out, and then it'll look like a nail instead of a bunch of bubble gum piled up on the top of your skin. I don't know how to explain it, y'all, but it'll be a disaster. Hey. And now I'll be using this nice pretty purple color and applying it to my nail, and I can see all that gel building up at the top of my nail like it would do. It's gonna thin out at the bottom part, and all the gel is gonna push to the top. So what you gonna do? You're gonna flip your nail over like I'm doing and bring it up some more to stop the little gathering of polygel at the top of your nail. So yes, into the UV lamp for 60 seconds. And
berry slide.
ooh, look at that pretty red. That is next. Now, I'm not gonna lie, the colors are really, really pretty in this polygel. But I feel like I would have to mix this polygel with another thicker consistency of a polygel, because this one is too thin. And it sticks really, really bad. Really badly. This is a poor quality of polygel, and I'm on the hunt for a unique good quality of polygel that has bright summer colors, not pinks. I am so sick of just pink polygel. That's like in all of my nail videos. You know, I wanted some color, you guys, so bear with me out. Like I said, if you guys are interested and you think you can make these work, because the colors are really, really pretty, I will put the link down below to let you guys know. And so that's a pretty, pretty, pretty baby blue. I'm gonna cure all of these nails, do the other side, and then take off my dual forms to see what else I have to do to fix, you know, the polygel nails. Because of course, when you use dual forms, the application is not just perfect like you think it'll be. Ooh, okay. So that's cool. The nails are formed now. It's up to me if I want to thicken them up or just leave them this way, which I wouldn't advise you to leave it this way, because as you can see, it's barely any color at the bottom, and these aren't meant to be ombre nails. They are not ombre. The color is supposed to be from top to bottom, okay? But what you see is what you get. I'm going to fix them, but this is my polygel review for this bootleggy cheap polygel. And just pop them up, you guys. You just form your own nails. Like, I love the polygel system, how it works, how fast it is. It is way better than acrylic nails, in my opinion. But it's just, yeah, you gotta get the right quality, not this kind that I have. Because I really honestly think that polygel lasts way longer to me than acrylic. But it's just my opinion. Now you can see that thumb is missing a whole spot of polygel. I'm going to have to go back in and add that. I'm not going to put it to the uniform. So I already filed my nails. I already did everything that needed to be done, which was not much. You put your base gel, you put your polygel in the dual forms, apply the dual forms to your nails with polygel in it. You cure them for 60 seconds for them to get hard, you know, because I sure didn't want them dripping, how this stuff is dripping off the package. And once I take the dual forms off, that's all I have to do is file and apply the top coat back under the UV lamp. Wash your hands or put your pink oil and you good to go. Like polygel, if done right, if understood, if of good quality, are really cool. You guys, really cool. Less than 15 minutes, I had a freaking manicure. Y'all know the nail shops is closed, so you gotta do what you gotta do. Nail shops closed, order your stuff online, and do it yourself. Now, beware of the things that you will order. Trust me, I'm trying them all, and I really don't want you guys to waste all the money that I have on trying these products. So, if you like the colors of this polygel and you have a thicker polygel that you would like to mix this with to create it, by all means, buy the kit. But I wouldn't recommend you just to buy the kit to use it without having a thicker consistency of polygel. In the lamp for 60 seconds. Now I ordered those cute nail. Ooh. They look so cute under the UV light. Plain. But yes, I ordered these offline. I'll put the link down below as well. I just want to add a little bedazzle to, you know, because this is as good as it's going to get with this polygel. It's pretty. Alright. And that is the finished result. Side. I really, really like that blue color and red. They went on perfect. Oh, and another thing. When you put your hand in the UV lamp with this polygel on it, it does get hot. But I wouldn't trip it because my nails hot. Ooh, 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 ooh. I got my nails. Shiny. I did it myself. The purple looking kind of dull, but hey, just testing this out. Polygel nail review. Tell me what you think down below.